Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The current price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT is 68,814.76, an increase of 0.69% from yesterday's price of 68,343.12. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT is 3,876.47, an increase of -0.82% from yesterday's price of 3,908.65. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT is 528.8, an increase of 8.21% from yesterday's price of 488.7.
Latest news.
Arbitrum community abandons donation proposal to Tornado Cash developers due to legal concerns. The Arbitrum community abandoned a proposed donation to Tornado Cash developers due to legal concerns. On March 11, informed sources revealed that the Arbitrum DAO had withdrawn its proposed donation to Tornado Cash developers, Roman Storm and Alexei Pertsev, who are facing criminal charges. The Arbitrum community had proposed donating up to $1.28 million in ARB tokens to the developers, but the proposal was withdrawn as token holders expressed concerns about the potential legal risks associated with such donations. Previously, the Arbitrum community initiated a voting proposal to fund the legal defense of Tornado Cash co-founder Roman Storm and developer Alexei Pertsev. The proposal stated that Tornado Cash is a beacon of privacy and security in the crypto industry, providing users with a reliable way to conduct private transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. Lightning Network's dollar capacity reaches record high. The Lightning Network's dollar capacity has reached a record high of nearly $325 million, with a 37% increase in the past month. This marks a significant milestone for the technology, which enables fast, low-cost transactions and final settlement on the Bitcoin blockchain. The current Bitcoin capacity stands at 4,680, which is 17% lower than its historical peak. Blockbeats reports that the Lightning Network's dollar capacity has increased significantly, driven by the growing demand for Bitcoin and the adoption of the technology by businesses and individuals. Circle minted $250 million USDC on Solana network. Circle's recent transaction on the Solana network has resulted in a $250 million USDC minting, leading to a net inflow of $92.3 million in the US Bitcoin spot ETF. This report highlights the potential for Circle to become a major player in the cryptocurrency space. BNB drops below 520 USDT with a narrowed 6.3% 6.30 increase in 24 hours. Binance BNB falls below 520 USDT with a 6.3% 6.30 narrow increase in 24 hours. On March 10, 22:56 p.m. UTC, Stanford Blyth Fund allocates 7% of portfolio to Bitcoin. The Stanford Blyth Fund, a student-run investment entity at Stanford University, has purchased 7% of its portfolio in Bitcoin, BTC, after a scholar pitching the asset during a meeting. Cole Lee, a computer science major and leader at the Stanford Blockchain Club, revealed in a tweet that the Blyth Fund has allocated approximately 7% of its portfolio to Bitcoin following the purchase. Established in 1978 by an anonymous donor in honor of legendary banker Charles Blyth, the Blyth Fund supports education by giving students an opportunity to invest their money and channeling 25% of the investment returns to Stanford University's financial aid. The Blyth Fund's Bitcoin purchase highlights the rising adoption of the relatively novel digital asset. The launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States has driven BTC adoption to unprecedented levels, allowing for the inflow of billions of dollars in capital from the traditional finance sector. Heavy ETF volumes and inflows have also driven the price of BTC to levels last seen in November 2021, during the last bull cycle. Data from CoinMarketCap shows BTC changed hands at $66,700 at the time of writing. Meanwhile, the 10 ETFs witnessed their biggest trading volume day on March 5, recording roughly $10 billion, with USDT alone responsible for the largest portion. For more information, visit 3w. Stanford Blyth Fund.com http://www.stanfordblythfund.com. Cryptocurrency investment fraud losses increased by 53% in Tuesday, says FBI. The FBI reported a 53% increase in losses from cryptocurrency investment fraud incidents in Tuesday, with losses from investment fraud alone rising from 3.3 billion to 4.57 billion. The FBI's Internet Crime Report 2023 revealed that criminals are using more sophisticated scams to lure victims with high returns on their investments. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, received over 880,400 complaints in 2023, with potential losses exceeding $12.5 billion. Losses from crypto investment scams accounted for $3.94 billion of the $4.57 billion. The IC3 also received 21,489 business email compromise (BAC) complaints, with adjusted losses of over $2.9 billion. The FBI emphasized the importance of using multi-factor authentication as an additional security layer. The IC3's Recovery Asset Team, RAT, implemented the Financial Fraud Kill Chain (FFKC) initiative on 3,008 incidents with potential losses of $758 million and freezing $538.39 million, representing a 71% success rate. BNB drops below 530 USDT with a narrowed 9.89% increase in 24 hours. Binance Market Data reports that BNB has fallen below 530 USDT, with a narrowed 9.89% increase in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin Spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29. USD stablecoin market cap surges 400% in a month, reaching $540 million. Ethena Labs USD synthetic dollar experiences significant adoption and market cap increase. CryptoPotato reports that Ethena Labs USD synthetic dollar has experienced a 40% increase in the last week and month, reaching $540 million. Arthur Hayes, CEO of Ethena Labs, remains optimistic about the company's potential to deliver a synthetic USD based on a public blockchain. Ethena Labs introduced its USD synthetic dollar on the public mainnet on February 19, sparking apprehension among investors due to the Ethereum-based synthetic dollar offering a 27.6% annual percentage yield, APY. Hayes clarified that the method by which USD generates yield differs entirely from that of UST, with Ethena utilizing two assets to generate yield: ETH staking yield and positive perp swap funding. Hayes highlighted that Ethena carries exchange counterparty risk as it is not decentralized and does not aspire to be so. Instead, it maintains short perp swap positions on centralized derivative exchanges. To address this risk, Ethena employs third-party custodians, similar to how Tether's counterparty risk lies with TradFi banks. While Tether faces counterparty risk with TradFi banks, Ethena's risk lies with derivative CEXs and crypto custodians. These CEXs are investors in Ethena and have a vested interest in maintaining security and ensuring proper payouts on derivatives. They are highly profitable entities within the crypto industry and are motivated to sustain this profitability. As Ethena expands, the open interest in derivatives grows, increasing fee income for CEXs, thereby aligning incentives for mutual success. Tether's product plays a role in facilitating the functioning of crypto capital markets, which inherently seeks to disintermediate TradFi banks. However, traditional banks are not supportive of crypto and view Tether as a threat to their existence. Consequently, their incentives are not aligned with Tether's success, and neither are those of regulators aligned with the success of Tether. Bill Ackman, Billionaire hedge fund CEO, teases possible Bitcoin investment. Bitcoin advocates react to Bill Ackman's hints of potential interest in the cryptocurrency. CoinDesk reports that Bill Ackman, founder and CEO of Pershing Square Capital Management, has hinted at a possible interest in Bitcoin. In a recent post on X, Ackman outlined a hypothetical scenario where Bitcoin's price could reach unprecedented highs, leading to an uncontrollable cycle of rising Bitcoin and energy prices. Bitcoin advocates, including Michael Saylor, founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, counter Ackman's claim that Bitcoin's value rise results in higher energy costs. Saylor offers to discuss the subject directly with Ackman. Although Ackman has generally avoided Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, he did disclose in 2022 that he held small investments in a few crypto projects and crypto venture funds as more of a hobby and learning experience than a focused investment strategy. This playful tease of Bitcoin interest might signify a potential shift in Bill Ackman's outlook toward cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 69,000 USDT with a narrowed 0.95% 0.95 increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 69,000 USDT as market data reveals narrow 0.95% 0.95 increase in 24 hours. On March 10, 2024, 14:41 p.m. UTC, the U.S. Bitcoin Spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million, bringing the total inflow to $183.6 million in the past week. However, the recent gains in Bitcoin are being offset by a drop in the value of the US dollar, which has led to a decline in the Bitcoin USDT exchange rate. In addition, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and global economic uncertainty are also impacting the market, causing volatility and uncertainty for investors. We encourage investors to remain cautious and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Bitcoin miners invest over $1 billion in specialized computers amid rising prices. 13 top mining companies have placed orders for over $1 billion worth of specialized computers to boost efficiency and secure favorable electricity rates. Since February 2023, miners have consumed a record 19.6 gigawatts of power, up from 12.1 gigawatts in the same period in 2023. Bitcoin miners were some of the best-performing stocks last year, allowing companies to raise capital through at-the-market offering programs. However, the rapid expansion comes with risks, as seen in the last crypto bull run in late 2021, when a flurry of mining companies went public and raised billions of dollars from the equity and debt markets. Companies borrowed a record amount of money, and when the market crashed in 2022, so did miners. Cathie would anticipates Bitcoin price topping $1,000,000 before 2030. ARK Invest CEO Cathie would predicts Bitcoin price will cross $1 million threshold earlier than 2030. According to Cointelegraph, ARK Invest Cathie would have revised her earlier price target of $1 million per Bitcoin by 2030, due to institutional participation and regulatory approval in the United States, as well as the first spot Bitcoin ETFs in the country. Wood also stated that her target now stands well above the original figure, with a doubling of the incremental price for institutions. Seasoned market participants are wavering in anticipation of the mounting ETF inflows, with James Van Straten predicting a wild week ahead. If Bitcoin can break the $1,700,000 barrier prior to the activation of the Coinbase circuit breaker, we could witness true price discovery. As of writing, the price of Bitcoin is hovering around $69,500. Amidst underperformance versus Bitcoin in 2024, can XRP price rebound? Ripple's performance in the cryptocurrency market has been significantly laggard compared to Bitcoin and Ether, with returns just at 1.85% in 2024. However, trends suggest a potential shift in momentum for XRP, with gains of 58% and 61.50% in the same period. The ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is adding uncertainty to the market. Despite the trudging performance this year, a bullish technical scenario sees XRP poised for a 15% surge towards 75 cents by June 2024. Further, a breakout upwards could even stimulate price levels as high as $1.11, echoing a historical trend from 2014 to 2017. However, XRP faces a potential 20% total decline to 0.50 from the current price levels if the resistance trendline prompts a pullback.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and abundant cryptocurrency portfolio. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always have access to the funds you need to make your dreams a reality. Cheers to success and continued financial freedom. #cryptocurrency #success